For maintenance on the manifold, we'll have to grease the manifold pressure gauge daily. This is completed by closing the ball valve, introducing grease to this grease point. We will pump the pressure up to 900 psi, and we will now open the valve. This pressure gauge will drop to 0. If the pressure gauge does not drop to 0, there could be an obstruction in this section of the pressure gauge assembly. The manifold ball valve will have to be cleaned on a daily basis. If this is not operational, the hoses cannot be broken down if there is a problem. It's very important that this is cleaned daily. And also, at certain points during the day, break or lunchtime, open this ball valve periodically to remove the material that can solidify in this area. The intake and discharge manifold needs to be removed weekly to inspect for wear parts and material accumulation. The transfer box. This will need to be checked daily. The oil level is on the end of this dipstick. The transfer box oil needs to be in the cross-hatched area for proper operation. Also, if the material is very cloudy, the transfer box lid will have to be removed to look for material in the transfer box. If there is a lot of material accumulated in the transfer box, the piston cups will have to be changed.